Hello everyone. In the transfer previous lecture we discussed the unit number 3 convection, various dimensionless numbers and the definitions of Nusselt number, Reynolds number, Grashof number and and the definitions are latent heat and sensible heat. So the definition is said that temperature should be raised or in particular application the temperature should be either it will be raised or it will be the uh, lower during the substance of mixture. Okay. Now today's lecture is based upon the dimensionless numbers. So that particular point we have to find out the laminar flow for the consistence of a coefficient of film coefficient for the pipe. So let's start it. So these are the empirical equations and that can be calculated by using the heat transfer coefficient in the laminar as well as turbulent flow and transitions region. Okay, so based upon the force convections, first film coefficient is for pipelines. So flow should be kept as a laminar flow. So in that types of case, then the laminar flow is heat transfer to laminar flow may be occur whatever fluid to be heated or cooled. કે જ્યારે પણ હીટ ટ્રાન્સફર થતું હોય છે ત્યારે લેમિનાર ફ્લો હોય ત્યારે ફ્લુઇડ ઇઝ ટુ બી હીટેડ ઓર કુલેડ આર વિસ્કસ ઓર ફ્લો રેટ આર લો. દેટ મીન્સ કે જો વિસ્કસ હોય ફ્લુઇડ તો તેનો ફ્લો રેટ કેવો હોય છે, ઓછો હોવાનો છે. ઓબ્વિયસલી કે તેની વિસ્કોસિટી વધારે છે, બરાબર, તો તેનો ફ્લો રેટ કેવો હશે, ઓછો હશે. ઇન અ પોલિમર food or pharmaceutical industry, in a polymer food or pharmaceutical industry we may come across a heat exchanger where the flow is in the laminar region. So it will be the less than 21,000 Reynolds number. Okay. So we may come across the heat exchanger where the laminar region is less than the 2100. So for heating or cooling systems for the viscous liquid, so empirical equation can be written as in the form of Nusselt number, and the Nusselt number is given by is the function of Reynolds number, Prandtl number and D by L. So the equation is written as a Nusselt number is equal to 1.86 times of Reynolds number, Prandtl number, D by L raised to 1 by 3 and velocity distribution for mu by mu w raised to 0.14. So this equation is known as a Sidertat equation. Okay, so this equation also known as for the Sidertat equation. In the examination also examiner also ask as a Sidertat equation explain. So this similar question is for Sidertat. Now this equation is a Sidertat. So the calculation of the heat transfer coefficient for the laminar flow in the form of the fluid is in horizontal condition. So the laminar region के लिए जो हॉरिजॉन्टल ट्यूब और पाइप्स है उसको किस डायरेक्शन में रखना होगा, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल. ओके, पाइप અને જે ટ્યુબ છે તેને હોરિઝોન્ટલ ડાયરેક્શનમાં રાખવામાં આવે છે. સો ધીસ ઇક્વેશન ઇઝ વેલિડ ફોર રેનોલ્ડ નંબર જે છે એ કેટલો હોવો જોઈએ, 2021થી ઓછો, અને જે રેનોલ્ડ નંબર અને પ્રેડન્ટ નંબર છે એનો જે રેશિયો છે જેમ કે 100 કરતાં વધારે હોવો જોઈએ, ઇન બિટવીન 100 to 2100. ઓકે, and where D is the diameter and L is the length of pipe. ઓકે. સો ડી બાય એલ કરતાં કેટલો હોવો જોઈએ? ડી બાય એલ છે ઇટ ઇઝ so it's above the 100 and below the 21,000. And here one term is denoted, which is mu by mu l, mu w. So what is the meaning of mu by mu w? So mu by mu w, it is the Sidertat correction factor. Okay. So that indicated that the ratio of viscosity of the fluid to the bulk temperature and the viscosity of a fluid at a wall temperature. Okay. So this ratio is indicating that viscosity of fluid at a bulk temperature, that means the large quantity of fluid temperature define करता है, और mu w it is particular for the wall temperature only. Okay, so इसका रेशियो है, it is mu by mu raised to 0.14 होता है. So once again repeat, the term mu by mu w raised to 0.14 is called a Sidertat correction, and this terminology is explained the ratio of the viscosity of the fluid at a bulk temperature, and then to the viscosity of a fluid at a wall temperature. So that is mu by mu w. Then finally it can be written as a hd by k. Nusselt number, it is Nusselt number. What is Nusselt number? It is hd by k. And the other equations are remaining as it is, 1.86, and it is divided by dv rho. What is Reynolds number? Reynolds number is dvu rho by mu. Then Prandtl number is cp mu by k, and d by l as it is diameter and length raised to 1 by 3, and velocity, Sidertat correction factor, where h is the inside rate heat transfer coefficient, and d is the inside diameter of pipe. In the above equations, the physical property of fluid, that means physical property, temperature, pressure, the physical property of fluid are taken as in the bulk form. જે ટેમ્પરેચર અને પ્રેશર જે પણ આપણે લઈએ છીએ ફ્લુઇડનું, એ કયા ફોર્મમાં લઈએ છીએ? બલ્ક. તો ક્વોન્ટિટી ઇઝ ઇન લાર્જ ફોર્મ. ઓકે. સો the arithmetic mean of the inlet and outlet temperature of the fluid is flowing through inside temperature and outside temperature by 2. ઓકે, એટલે કે જે એવરેજ ટેમ્પરેચર છે તેને આપણે ફોલો કરવાનું રહેશે. સો એવરેજ ટેમ્પરેચર ઇઝ ફોર વોટ? ઇનલેટ ટેમ્પરેચર પ્લસ આઉટલેટ ટેમ્પરેચર ડિવાઇડેડ by 2, and mu wall temperature, and mu w is evaluated at the average wall temperature. Okay, and mu w છે તેને as considering as a wall temperature. So using this, Grade's number can be defined by this equation. So Grade's number is defined by the following equation. So n of gz is equal to mass flow rate into specific gravity, that is cp, and k by l, where mass flow rate also having a equation which is rho u a, area, velocity, and density. Okay, velocity, area, and density, so that is pi by 4 rho u t square. એરિયા શું થશે? એરિયા pi by 4 d square. Okay. Now it is for only the informative step number 3.39. So you have to remember that Grade's number, that is pi by 4, and to Reynolds number and Prandtl number multiplied by d by l. Okay, so simplified that equation and put down the values of d by l into the equation number 3.36. Okay, so by substituting the Reynolds number, Prandtl number and d by l from the equation 3.14 and put into the equation number 3.36, so this equation number 36, it becomes Nusselt number equal to 1.86 times of pi by 4 ની જગ્યા પર શું થશે? That will be the 4 by pi, and uh, Grids number raised to 1 by 3, and as it is the remaining is mu by mu w raised to 0.14. So basically simplified these terms. So Reynolds Grids number is 2 times of 4 is divided by 2, that is 4 divided by 2, that is 2. The Grids number raised to 1 by 3, and mu by mu w raised to 0.14. It gives the equation number 3.42. It is known as a Sidertat equation for laminar and viscous flow in terms of Grids number. If in terms of Grids number, laminar flow, fluid having the positions of the fluid in the laminar. So Sidertat equation for the laminar and viscous flow is given into 3.42. Now a new terminology is introduces is that Paclak number. Okay, so this Grids number, Paclak number, Reynolds number, Grashof number, and all these are the dimensionless numbers. So Paclak number is defined as the product of Reynolds number and Prandtl number. Prandtl number અને Reynolds નંબરના મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? પેકલેક નંબર. ઓકે, પેકલેક નંબર કહેવામાં આવે છે. સો આલ્ફાની વેલ્યુ શું થશે? પેકલેક નંબર ઇઝ રેનોલ્ડ નંબર અને પ્રેડલ નંબર. રેનોલ્ડ નંબર શું થશે? ડી યુ રો બાય મ્યુ, and Prandtl number Cp mu by K. Simplified that mu will be cancelled, so du rho Cp by K. Okay, so that is du by alpha, and alpha it having the value of Cp by K. K by rho into Cp. Alpha is the thermal diffusivity, and it has the unit of meter per seconds. The choice among this group is arbitrary, and for this fluid is laminar, and the average values are Reynolds numbers and Prandtl numbers for a diameter and length of pipe. It should be greater than 12. So this equation is empirical equation is applicable for Nusselt number, and the Nusselt number is for 1 by 1.62 times of Reynolds number and Prandtl number into product of diameter and length of pipe raised to 1 by 3. So this equation can be read then it can be rewritten as a Nusselt number is equal to 1.5 times of mass flow rate into specific gravity divided by K into L raised to 1 by 3. So this equation number 3.45, which is for the viscous fluid in a laminar flow, and which is applicable for the various viscosity with the varieties of temperature is introduced. That means large temperature range and the variation of temperatures are available, then also be this can be useful. Now, the second equation is a film coefficient in pipe by turbulent flow. જે લેમિનાર ફ્લો હતો તેની જગ્યા પર શું આવશે? હવે ટર્બ્યુલન્ટ ફ્લો. અને જે છે આ ઇક્વેશન શું આવશે? ધીસ ઇક્વેશન ઇઝ સિડર ટેટ ઇક્વેશન ફોર ટર્બ્યુલન્ટ ફ્લો.